Hello students. Last class we have studied about magnification produced by lens. Today we will discuss some important problems. First question is a concave lens of focal length f produces an image 1 by n times the size of object. Find object distance. A concave lens of focal length f produces an image 1 by n times the size of object. Find object distance. As we know, concave lens produces virtual image and magnification is v by u, and here v by u is equal to 1 by n, implies v is equal to u by n. Now applying lens equation, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u, implies 1 by minus f. So concave lens, so focal length is negative, that is you have minus f is equal to 1 by v, so we can write 1 by u by n, so it is n by u minus 1 by u is equal to n minus 1 by u. So u is equal to minus f into n minus 1, this is equal to minus of n minus 1 into f. So the object is at a distance n minus 1 into f from the lens. The second important question is find the minimum distance between an object and its real image formed by a convex lens of focal length f. So most important question, 3 marks question comes in council examination. Find the minimum distance between an object and its real image formed by a convex lens of focal length f. So as you know, the lens formula is, lens equation is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u, and as we know here it is given real image, so obviously object distance is negative, here u is equal to negative, that you have 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by minus u, 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to u plus v by uv, implies uv is equal to u plus v into f. So you can write uv whole square is equal to u plus v square f square, implies u square v square is equal to u square plus 2uv plus v square into f square. Now subtract both sides, minus 4uv f square, subtracting both sides, minus 4uv f square, we get u square v square minus 4uv f square is equal to u square plus 2uv minus 4uv plus v square into f square. So it is subtracted both sides, minus 4uv f square minus 4uv f square. So we get u square v square minus 4uv f square is equal to a plus 2uv minus 4uv, this is minus 2uv, so you can write u minus v square into f square. So let you see, the right side is always positive, so the minimum condition is, in minimum condition u minus v square into f square must be 0. So we can write u square v square minus 4uv f square is equal to 0. So we get uv is equal to 4f square. So now putting equation 2 in 1, putting equation 2 in 1, we get so see uv is equal to u plus vf. So let you put uv is equal to 4f square. So we get 4f square is equal to u plus v into f. So we get u plus v is equal to 4f. So this is answer. So remember, the minimum distance between object and real image formed by convex lens of focal length f is 4f. Sometimes question comes, a convex lens has focal length 10 cm. Find the minimum distance between object and its real image. So answer will be 4f. So this is 40 cm. Next question is, the image obtained with a convex lens is erect and its length is 4 times the length of the object. If the focal length of the lens is 20 cm, calculate the object and image distance. Okay, the image obtained with a convex lens is erect and its length is 4 times the length of the object. So here given, this is obviously virtual image because it is the image is erect. That is why it is virtual image. So the magnification is given m is equal to I by O is equal to V by U is equal to 4. So you get V is equal to 4U. V is equal to 4U. Now apply lens equation. 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U implies 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by minus 4U minus 1 by minus U. So here virtual image, that is where both are negative. Object distance is negative, image distance is negative. So we get 1 by F is equal to minus 1 by 4U plus 1 by U. This is equal to 1 by 20 implies 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by U minus 1 by 4U. This is equal to 4U 4 minus 1 implies 1 by 20 is equal to 3 by 4U implies U is equal to 4U is equal to 60 implies U is equal to 15 centimeter. U is equal to 15 centimeter. So what is V? V is equal to 4U. V is equal to 4U. This is equal to 4 into 15 is equal to 60 centimeter. So here object distance is 15 centimeter and image distance is 60 centimeter. Next important question is, find the position of the image form of the object O by the lens combination given in the figure. So this is a combination of lens. Convex lens is given focal length 10 cm, concave lens is given focal length minus 10 cm, and convex lens is given 30 cm. And this distance of separation is 5 cm, and this is 10 cm. An object is placed at the distance 30 cm from the convex lens of focal length 10 cm. So we'll find the final position of the image. So let us see for the first lens. For the first lens, or for the convex lens, f is equal to 10 centimeter F is equal to 10 centimeter and U is equal to minus 30 centimeter. Implies we get 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U, implies 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by minus 30. 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by 30, implies 1 by V is equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 30. This is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 by 30. So we'll get V is equal to 15 centimeter. So for the first lens, V is equal to 15 centimeter. So for the first convex lens, V is equal to 15 centimeter. So obviously it will be formed at this point, something at this point, 15 centimeter. So that is where for the second concave lens, this is 5 centimeter. So obviously it is 10 centimeter. Object distance will be 10 centimeter. For the concave lens, U is equal to, I can write 15 minus 5 is equal to 10 centimeter. And focal length is negative, minus 10 centimeter. So again put the lens equation, 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. So 1 by minus 10 is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U, 1 by 10. So we get 1 by 10, 1 by cancel, 1 by V is equal to 0, implies V is equal to infinity. So for the concave lens, image will be formed at infinity. Now for the third convex lens, so V is equal to infinity. So obviously for the third convex lens, U is equal to infinity. So U is equal to infinity, object distance will be infinity, and F is given 30 centimeter. F is equal to 30 centimeter. So we can write again, applying lens equation, 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U, implies 1 by 30 is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by infinity. So is equal to 1 by V, because 1 by V is 0, 1 by infinity is 0, so we get 1 by V. So we get V is equal to 30 centimeter. V is equal to 30 centimeter. So the final answer is, the image will be formed at 30 centimeter from the convex lens.